Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And today I would like to share with you my thrift store haul. I only paid $7.60. I paid $2 for an entire bag of champagne glasses with the base intact, unopened. $2 for that. I paid $1.50 for this soap holder, which is a two-piece soap holder. And I also paid $1 for each set of shower curtain hooks, meaning 12 of these for $1 and 12 of these for $1. And I have the bags here. Now I also bought this little ceramic piece here for $1.50, I believe. $1.50. So all this for $7.60. They charge tax at the thrift store. So you might be saying, why is that on top of a tomato ketchup bottle? Well, I purposely did that because I wanted to show you the idea of one of these hooks. I had plans for all of them, and I had plans for all of these, but just one hook alone gave me the idea, and this soap holder has become a tub in my eyes. So what I'm planning to do is somehow clip off that piece there of the shower curtain hook and be left with just that piece alone, and that'll make a beautiful tub. And look at the borders of the tub in gold. That means that I will create a bathroom with pieces that are the same color as that border. So there's going to be a gold bathroom coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And then we have the champagne glasses here. I love that the base looks like a lampshade, and I purposely won't remove it from the package right now because I want to bring it to you in a different video when I have the complete idea of what I'm going to do here. But I needed to share this with you in this video because this is the entire thrift store haul. Then I have all these butterflies, and I also will be purposing these. I will be removing the hooks from the back. They are removable. You just have to use a little force to kind of like clip it off, yank it off. I've done that with other ones. So this will be great for a girl's room somewhere along the line. Now the shower curtain hooks, they look stainless steel, but they're not. I'm not sure what they're made out of, but they are not stainless steel, some type of metal. And what else? Oh, this here, the vase, a little ceramic vase, and in the bottom it says bone china made in England, right there. Very cute. It's oversized for my miniatures, but I can still make a creation using it. So stay tuned because you will see it in another video down the line. And I think that I've covered everything here. We have the shower curtain hooks, the silver ones and the butterflies. We have the soap holder, which is a two-piece. And we have this bag here of champagne glasses. So I think that this will be it. So stay tuned because you will be seeing these pieces again. So I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.